You finished your 12th, you've given JE, and now you're stuck in a weird phase in between where no one's telling you what to do next. You're done with your exam and you're kind of confused in which college you should join. And a lot of students don't consider this, but these 2-3 months and the decisions you make would impact your next 3 or 4 years. And because of this confusion, a lot of students join colleges just based on their ranks, and some of them don't have good options, so they just take a drop without a clear path forward. And you should take this time out to step back and explore what you're actually interested in. And while I was looking into this, I actually found something very interesting: a 2-month residential program in IIT Mandi, where you actually live on campus, learn from IT professors, and build real world projects. And the best part is, it is open to students who just completed their 12th. So the program is called Himshikhar 2026, and it is run by Center for Continuing Education CCE IT Mandi in collaboration with Masai. And it's not a short workshop, it's a 2-month fully residential program where you live, study, and build projects. Now, going into the details of the program, it would have 190 hours of total sessions, out of which 100 hours would be by IT Mandi faculty sessions, meaning IT professors will teach you live. 50 hours would be tutorial sessions by PhD scholars, and 40 hours would be industry expert sessions. And that's not it. By the end of the program, you will be building 4 real world projects, and you will be pitching those projects in a final boardroom demo. And by the end of the program, you will get the CCE IT Mandi certification. Now, if we talk about student life, you will be accommodated in IIT Mandi hostels along with the mess, and you can even use the labs, library, and study spaces. And the environment really matters in these 2 months because you will be surrounded by students who are also trying to build something, and that is really important for your mindset going forward. And if we talk about the campus, so IIT Mandi sits in Kamand Valley, Himachal Pradesh, and it is one of the best looking campus in the country. Now, the program is divided into 5 tracks, which consist of software development with AI and machine learning, agentic AI systems, data science, entrepreneurship, and venture building. And for example, in software development with AI, you will be learning how to build full stack apps with AI workflows. AI and machine learning track would go deep in ML models, covering classical ML, deep learning, and Gen AI foundations. In agentic AI systems, you will be learning prompt engineering and how to build autonomous multi-agent systems. In data science, you will be learning statistical inference, ML workflows, and how to deploy these pipelines in real world. Now, important to note here, if you've just completed your class 12th, you are eligible for 2 tracks, which are software development with AI and entrepreneurship and venture building, where you will be learning how to validate ideas, build MVPs, and develop a venture ready startup in just 8 weeks. Now, the admission process is fairly simple. First, you need to submit the application form, which has a fees of rupees 999. Then you have to clear an entrance test, which consists of aptitude and reasoning questions. And then you will attend counseling, where you will choose your track. Now, if we talk about the fees, so here is the breakdown. The training fees is 94,000, but when we include the project fees and the residential fees, the total program fees is around 1,50,000. And the total fee includes hostel accommodation along with all the meals, smart classrooms and labs, internet, e-library, and study spaces, and the CCE IT Mandi certification. And here's why this program matters: because the biggest mistake a lot of students make at this stage is not lack of efforts, but lack of direction. Everyone works hard, but if you work in 10 different directions, those efforts don't compound in the next 2-3 years. But if you get exposure early, build projects, and find where your interest really lies, you can make more informed decisions about your college, your skill set, and your career direction. Now, let me clarify who this is for. This program is for students who don't want to blindly follow where everyone else is going, who don't want to commit the next 4 years of their life, and who are willing to spend the next 2 months building something seriously. And if that's not you, that's fine. Now, I want to make something clear. This does not replace IT degrees, and this does not guarantee you job. But this might provide you an important experience, and it would be helpful in building real world skills and gives you the right exposure before a critical decision. And if you are at that stage, this program is something you can explore. I've linked the official program page in the description. You can check it out, go through the website, research about it, and if it makes sense, apply. And that's it. If you have any more doubts, let me know in the comments, and bye.